Good evening everyone, or magandang gabi. It's time for another Learn Tagalog video. It's time for another Learn Tagalog pronunciation video. And let's start with some morning phrases sa Tagalog. If you wanna wake up someone in the morning, or they ask you to wake them up in the morning, and you want to say, wake up now, gising na, gising na, gising na, wake up now, it's already morning, umaga na, umaga na, wake up now, it's already morning, gising na, umaga na, and maybe you wanna add, get up now, bangon na, or come on, get up now, sige na, bangon na. And that one is a photo of a ladder, or sa Tagalog ay hagdan. 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 Next, if you wanna say, let's talk, mag-usap tayo. Mag-usap tayo. Mag-usap tayo. Or you can just say, usap tayo. Usap tayo. Or, come on, let's talk. Tara, mag-usap tayo. Or, tara, usap tayo. At if you wanna give someone an encouragement by saying, you can do it, sa Tagalog, kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan. Or, kaya mo iyan. And if you say, kayang-kaya mo yan. Kayang-kaya mo yan. Sa English, what you mean is, you can really do it. Kayang-kaya mo yan. And next one is this photo. To say rainy sa Tagalog, maulan. 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 Rainy, maulan. At to say rainy day, maulang araw. Maulang araw. And if you wanna say it rained, umulan. Umulan. It's raining, umuulan. 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 At how do you say finally sa Tagalog? You know, when you're waiting for something to happen and then it finally happened and you wanna say, finally, sa wakas. Sa wakas. Sa wakas. Talent sa Tagalog, talento. Talento. Example or halimbawa, pagpinta ang talento ko. Or sa English, painting is my talent. Pagpinta ang talento ko. At isa pang halimbawa or another example, pagkanta ang talento ko. or sa Ingles, singing is my talent. Pagkanta ang talento ko. Last one, let's say sa Ingles ay ang talento ni Ana ay pagsayaw. Sa Ingles ay Anna's talent is dancing. Ang talento ni Ana ay pagsayaw. If you wanna tell someone you look like, kamukha mo si, kamukha mo si. Example, you look like your dad. Kamukha mo ang papa mo, or kamukha mo ang tatay mo, or kamukha mo ang daddy mo, kamukha mo ang papa mo. Those are just few words of addressing a father or dad sa Tagalog. At example, you wanna say, you look like my best friend. Kamukha mo ang best friend or best friend ko. Kamukha mo ang nanay mo, or you look like your mom. Last one, if you wanna call someone and say, come here, come here. Halika dito, or halika rito. Halika dito, or rito. Halika dito, or halika rito. Dito at rito, or dito and rito, they both mean the same, which is here. Here. Come here. Come. Halika. Here, dito, or rito. Halika dito, or halika rito. Come here. Ayan lang for our Learn Tagalog pronunciation video. See you on the next video. Bye! Happy weekend!